primary ground wire from a service entrance box is not allowed to be spliced under any circumstance. The primary ground wire serves as the main grounding connection for the electrical system in a building. Its function is to provide a low-resistance pathway for fault currents, directing them back to the source. This action is critical in preventing hazardous voltage surges and electrical shocks. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, and most building codes explicitly prohibit splicing the grounding electrode conductor. Article 250.28 D2 states the grounding electrode conductor shall not be spliced. Article 250.28 D4 further clarifies that the grounding electrode conductor shall be installed in one continuous length without a splice or joint. No exceptions are permitted for splicing a primary ground wire, whether in a crawl space or any other location. There are several compelling reasons for this prohibition. Firstly, splices introduce potential weak points within the ground wire, thereby amplifying the likelihood of electrical failures. Secondly, corrosion or physical damage occurring at the splice site can diminish the effectiveness of the ground connection. Thirdly, splicing can generate inductive impedance, which has the potential to disrupt the proper functionality of ground fault circuit interrupters, commonly known as GFCIs. Splicing a primary ground wire can lead to significant electrical hazards. These include an elevated risk of electrical shocks, voltage surges capable of inflicting damage on appliances and equipment, and diminished effectiveness of GFCIs, potentially preventing them from tripping during ground fault events. Furthermore, splicing may invalidate insurance coverage. Should a primary ground wire sustain damage, it necessitates replacement with a new, uninterrupted conductor. It is essential that a qualified electrician performs the repair. Following the repair, a building inspector should conduct an inspection to ensure compliance with applicable codes.